Post-construction termite treatment for invasive species like Formosan termites requires coordinated community response rather than isolated home-by-home fixes. Effective post-construction response starts with organizing with municipal authorities to join or create eradication programs that align treatment, timing, and methods across neighborhoods. Increase local monitoring density by placing more monitoring stations and inspecting them on a regular schedule of at least once every 3 months, so infestations are caught before colony saturation. Share standardized data with regulatory agencies using simple templates that include location, treatment type, dates, and monitoring results to enable pattern detection and resource allocation. Adopt aggressive baiting strategies that prioritize colony elimination over localized suppression by deploying multiple bait stations around perimeters and maintaining them until foraging ceases for a sustained period. Rotate bait active ingredients if legal and recommended to reduce resistance risk. Combine baiting with continuous physical or chemical barrier approaches around foundation perimeters and known entry points, ensuring soil contact and no gaps at utility penetrations. Treat soil voids and under slabs where accessible. Train local contractors and volunteer monitoring teams on consistent inspection criteria and reporting language so data from different sources remain comparable and actionable. The 3 most common mistakes are treating individual homes in isolation, which lets nearby colonies reintroduce termites, so coordinate timing and methods with neighbors and the municipality. A second mistake is sparse monitoring that misses early colony expansion, so increase station density and inspect more frequently to detect shifts in activity. The third mistake is inconsistent treatment methods across the community, which undermines eradication. So agree on a core protocol for baiting and barriers, document treatments, and share results so adjustments can be made quickly. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and coordinate community responses to invasive termite outbreaks. Our site also hosts a community discussion area where residents and professionals can exchange monitoring data, coordinate treatment timing, and find contractors looking for work.